Hello everybody, this is my new panel setup. We have the IFP 1000 here. We have the EST2, which I'm going to switch wires with the IFP and 1000 into the EST2 so I can set off the strobes from the EST2. And I just a few minutes ago moved up my Wheelock DV200 voice link system and attached it to my EST2 so it'll set off when the EST2 will go off when I hit drill. So it'll be a voice evac. And there you can see the speaker. And there's the pull station. I just replaced the Edwards pull station with that one. And I'm going to replace that one again with the Edwards one so I can hook it up to the ST2. I think the ST2 can only use Edwards pull station, so yeah, I'm going to use that. And now I'm going to switch the wires, but first I'm going to set this thing off. So I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Now I'm going to reset the panel. I'm waiting for it to reset. I'm going to let it beep because I'm going to take off the wire and put it into the EST2. Now it's giving me another trouble. I'm just going to let it beep now. About the wires here. Then I'm going to go up here into the EST2. I'm going to take this conduit off because I don't need it anymore. It used to be for the pull station. Now what I've learned about the EST2 is that even though it says positive and negative, it shows you positive and negative on the EST2, it is actually reversed. So the positive is negative and negative is positive. So I'm going to attach a resistor, end of line resistor here in NAC A. Hopefully I don't get electrocuted. I probably won't. Hopefully I won't. So positive goes to negative, negative goes to positive. Now this is only trial and error, so we're going to find out if it works or not. So we're going to find out whether or not the Wheelock is set off or if the strobes are set off. So here we go. And it failed. So I'm going to switch back the NACs to the IFP. X is positive on the IFP and is a very loud beeper. I'm losing my hearing as we speak. Oh, stop it already. O is negative. Now we're going to test it. Actually, we're not going to conduct a fire drill. What we're going to do is do a input-output event. So, now we're going to toggle it. So you can see the strobe flashing, I think. Yeah, it's flashing. It will give you trouble. Now it's inactive. So I'm going to go back and silence it now. So now it's silenced. So okay, maybe the EST2 is not all what I thought it to be. It's more confusing than I thought it would be. So I'm going to close the EST2. Gotta find the correct key. Now I'm going to close the IFP. The only reason why the IFP is giving me trouble is because I have no batteries. I put the batteries into the EST2. So as long as I don't have a power outage, everything will be fine. I don't know why this isn't shutting. There we go. Now I'm going to see what I can do about the Wii lock. I'm going to test the switch now. Put the amplifier all the way up, well, halfway up, and then test the message.
Attention, please. A fire alarm signal has been received on your floor. The fire department are responding to the alarm. You should check the exit corridor for any evidence of smoke or fire. If there is evidence of either smoke or fire, immediately walk to the nearest exit stairway, located at either end of the floor. Do not use the elevators. I repeat, do not use the elevators. Exit down the nearest stairway to the exterior of the building. Once out of the building, you stay clear of all doors and driveway.
Okay. That failed to work. So my next test would be activating the EST2 with this pull station right here, and see what I can do about that in the EST2. Ooh, that's hot. My pull station is hot because it's been in front of the projector all day. And oh yeah, and if I can move my lamp. There is my 3 ASU microphone and 3 FTCU emergency fire phone for the EST3. Both of them are for the EST3, which I do not currently own. So I'm planning to get an EST3 if it pops up anywhere. So, which is not going to happen very soon. So if I get one, I'd be very happy. I was very close to getting one, but I got the red panel, the IFP, instead, which I'm very mad about, and I have no idea why I did that. So yeah, that is it.